Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
I will show an easy method to add custom subtitles in Premiere Pro. This method uses the text tool and essential graphics panel to build subtitles. You can also use the Create Captions feature to generate caption tracks automatically. Work in 3 focus steps. Create your text, sync timing to the audio, then export either burned-in video or separate caption files. I will explain how to format, align, and export so your subtitles remain accurate and compatible. Start by selecting the Type tool and clicking in Program Monitor to add text. Create 1 text clip per subtitle and place it on a subtitle track above video. Trim or extend each text clip so the on-screen timing matches the spoken words precisely. Aim for timing accuracy within 0.2 seconds for natural readability. Keep each subtitle to 2 lines or fewer and roughly 42 characters per line for legible display. Open the Essential Graphics panel to format your subtitles precisely. Set font, size, color, and a 3.5% drop shadow for contrast and legibility. Align text bottom center and use consistent margins for all captions. When ready, go to File, Export, Media and choose either burned-in video or sidecar export like SRT. Export settings keep captions intact when choosing Create Sidecar File. Always review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.